What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this progress bar using Final Cut Pro 10. Let's go. So first of all, I'll show you guys the basic way of achieving this progress bar, and then later on I'll show you guys another creative way you can do in achieving this progress bar. You already have your video on your timeline. You go to your generator side, you go to solids. Under solids we choose custom, we drag on top of our video. Let's make it the same length with the video. Then go to your generator inspector side. Under color we choose the color that we want. I think red will be okay for this tutorial. Then go to your video inspector side, scroll down to crop. With the top we drag it downwards till we get the exact size that we want the bar to look like. I think somewhere here will be okay. Then go to your first frame. On the right, make a keyframe over there. Then go to your last but one frame. Make another keyframe on the right. Then go back to your first keyframe that we made. Then on the right, we'll just drag it till it disappears from the screen. So now we'll play and see how it looks like. And that was the basic way of achieving this progress bar. Now, before we move on to show you guys another creative way of using this progress bar, if you're enjoying this and if you're learning from this, please don't forget to subscribe down there and also to like this video. Really appreciate it, and it keeps this channel going. All right, let's go straight back to it. So you go to your element, and the element we choose shapes and drag. We choose shapes and then we drag on top of our video. Let's make it the same length with this. Then click on the shapes, go to your generator inspector side, and the shape we choose rectangle. Now with the outline we can choose the size we want. I think with this tutorial I'll go with 35. Then with the fill color white, I think I'll go with gray. Gray looks a little bit cool, but you can change it to any color you want. Then go back to your video inspector side and click on the transform box side to bring the shape or the edges out. Click on the top point and then press command, and with this what happens is it doesn't affect this sides, it just affects the top and the bottom. We'll do the side later on. I think somewhere here will be okay. Let's make this small so we can see exactly what we're doing. Then click on the side the same way, press command and stretch it. This will be okay. Now we can drag it downwards. Let's drag it to somewhere here will be okay. Let's make it fit and see exactly how it looks like. Now you go back to your generator side, we go to solids just like the first one we did. Then we choose custom and drag it on top of the videos and the shape that we have. Let's make this the same length with the rest of them. Click on this, go to your generator inspector side, the same way we did with the first one, we change the color. With this, I think somewhere blue will be okay. Let's make it colorful for fun's sake. Then go to your video inspector side. With the top, we drag it downwards. And we just want it to fill the rectangle shape that we have. So to see exactly what we're doing, let's make this big, drag this downwards so we can see exactly how it looks like. I think this will be okay. Then let's go to this side. With the left, we drag it till it fill the rectangle shape that we have. We do the same with the bottom. Then now we can go to the right side. We do the same thing with the right side. Now let's change this to fit and see exactly how it looks like. Good, exactly the way that we want. So we do the keyframes exactly as the first one that we did. You go to your right side, you go to your first frame, you make a keyframe on the right, go to your last but one keyframe, make another keyframe on the right. Then we go back to the first keyframe that we made, drag the right till it disappears, the square shape that we have. I think somewhere here will be okay. So there you go, guys. Very simple and easy to achieve this progress bar using Final Cut Pro 10. If you really enjoy watching this or learn something from this, don't forget to subscribe and also to like this video. Also drop a comment down in the comment section box below what you would like to see in the future on this channel. As always, my name is Joey. Love you guys. Peace out.